There were three breaking stories this week on Baron Trump. One, it looks like he's going to get a very high-paid job at TikTok. Two, he's being investigated for insider trading on cryptocurrencies. And three, he caused chaos at Trump Tower when he closed a whole fourth floor so that he could have a private meeting with his new boyfriend, Carlos. Let's look at those three stories in a bit more detail. One, Donald has negotiated or is negotiating a deal with the Chinese on TikTok. The sweetener for the Trumps is that Barron gets a big job, a big paid job. Classic Trumpism, this. The second one, well, Barron had inside information and knowledge on the pricing of cryptos, buying and selling, clearly illegal trading. They're investigating him. But the most interesting story was the third one, Carlos, the Argentinian ballroom dancer, who's now dating Barron. Well, I don't think the father knew anything about this. So Donald closed not just the floor that Barron was on, but 3 floors above and 3 floors below. This was breaking news.
How does a political dynasty turn public service into a $413 million empire? This isn't a rumor. This is the Pelosi family's rise to staggering wealth. It starts in San Francisco, the 1980s. Nancy Pelosi climbing the political ladder. Her influence wasn't just in Congress, it reached the stock market. Meet Paul Pelosi, a savvy investor with impeccable timing that suspiciously often aligned with political decisions. Defense contracts approved, Pelosi investments in defense stocks surged. Big tech under regulation review, strategic buys in tech stocks. It looked less like luck and more like precision. Over decades, real estate deals and insider-like trades stacked millions. Their Napa Valley estate, worth over $25 million, became the symbol of power. Critics called it a conflict of interest. Supporters said it was just good business. But the numbers didn't lie. Pelosi's reported net worth skyrocketed past $413 million. Some believe political intelligence fueled every strategic move. Every bill, every vote, every market shift. The money kept pouring in. Even as America faced recessions, their fortune grew. Exclusive wine vineyards, luxury real estate, million-dollar stock portfolios, all under the watch of one of the most powerful political figures in U.S. history. Ethics committees looked away. The public got distracted. The family empire remained untouchable. $413 million from politics to power to profit. But the question still lingers. Was it genius or corruption? Some call it the greatest political hustle of our time. Others call it the American dream, redefined. The Pelosi name is now etched in both political and financial history. A dynasty born from influence, sealed by fortune. And this is how they did it. Follow for more untold stories of wealth, power, and secrets.